In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor social media with Hootsuite streams and listening. Start by opening Hootsuite and navigating to streams or to the listening section if it's included in your plan. Streams shows you real-time columns of activity from your connected accounts, while listening helps you track broader conversations around topics and keywords. Think of this as your command center for what people are saying across platforms. Next, choose the social accounts or keywords you want to monitor. Focus on the profiles that matter to your brand and the terms your audience uses. This could include your brand name, product names, key hashtags, common misspellings, and industry phrases. If you manage multiple regions or languages, set clear keyword variations so you don't miss relevant chatter. Now, add the streams that will help you stay on top of what matters. Create streams for direct mentions to catch anything addressed to you. Add hashtag streams to follow campaigns and community conversations. Track competitors to understand their engagement patterns and audience sentiment. Create topic-based streams to keep an eye on industry trends, emerging questions, and news that could impact your content. Once your streams are in place, review the conversations and trends regularly. Scan for spikes in activity, recurring questions, and posts with strong engagement. Use filters to drill down by network, keyword, or time frame, so you can quickly spot what's timely and actionable. Make notes on themes you see repeatedly, and pay attention to the tone of the conversations. Are people curious, excited, or frustrated? When you find important comments or messages, respond directly from the stream. Aim for clarity, empathy, and timeliness. Thank positive mentions, address concerns with helpful specifics, and move complex issues to private messages when appropriate. If multiple team members collaborate in Hootsuite, assign messages to the right person to ensure nothing gets missed. Finally, turn these observations into smarter content and a stronger social strategy. If a certain topic consistently drives replies, plan more posts or short videos around it. If a hashtag brings quality engagement, make it part of your regular mix. Note which post types and times perform best and adjust your publishing schedule accordingly. Keep a simple log of insights so over time you can see what's working and confidently refine your approach. By setting up targeted streams, reviewing them with intention, responding thoughtfully, and applying what you learn, Hootsuite becomes more than a dashboard. It becomes a steady source of insights that guide better content and better results.